Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to connect Heyday to Supercell ID. To connect Heyday to your Supercell ID, first of all, launch the Heyday application open on your device. Once you end up in this game screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left, right above the mail icon. Now click on Settings. You will then be able to see that under the Settings menu, you have an option to log into Supercell ID. Tap the Login button right next to Supercell ID option, and on the next page, go ahead and find the Sign In area. Now you have options to log into your existing Supercell ID, or if you don't have an account yet, you will need to register for a Supercell ID first. Simply tap the Register a Supercell ID option and follow through the registration process to sign up for a Supercell ID. If you have existing Supercell ID, you can tap on Login to Supercell ID option. Now click on the Continue button and then enter your email address associated with Supercell ID. After you do that, click on the Login button. On the next page, you will need to verify the email address that you just typed in. Enter the verification code that has been sent to you on your email. Make sure to enter the code correct. After typing in the code, click on Submit. Now click the Connect button and you have successfully connected Heyday to Supercell ID. You can then head back to the game and your Heyday farm is now securely connected to Supercell ID. This means your progress is backed up and you can now access your farm anytime, anywhere, even on a new device. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Heyday tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.